I have gathered 9 disagreement phrases in Fante. Akohwea, inye dem not say. So in English we say, it's not like that. Inye no kwara. It's not true. It's not true. Or it's not the truth. In this instance, someone is saying something that you totally disagree. And you say, "Minye wo nya adwen." In English we say, I disagree with you. Let's look at the next disagreement phrase. That's not always the case. So in Fante, we say, "Inye dam na otse de biara." In Fante, we say, "Ejida." Ejida, are you sure? Gidi is believe. We say in Fante, "Osawara." Hey, awa, Osawara. So in English, we say, "It's up to you." Until we meet again, this is Fante Kesisuya. The channel's name is Apodels Multimedia, and my name is Machechrini Apialensa. Bye-bye.